Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss efficient user management in virtual data rooms. Efficient user management in virtual data rooms to ensure smooth collaboration, data security, and streamlined access control. Here are some practices for efficient management in VDRs. User roles and permission. Established clear user roles and permission with VDR. Define different levels of access such as administration, project manager, user have opportunities, appreciation of data and functionality they need while minimizing the risk of unauthorized access for accidental data leakage. User onboarding implements streamlined user onboarding process, provide clear instruction and guidelines to the user, including how to register, set up their accounts and navigate the VDR interface. Consider offering training or tutorial to help user understands the feature and functionality of VDR. Enable two-factor authentication user accounts. This adds extra layer of security by requiring user authentication for user accounts. They adds extra layer of security that requires audits, log and activity tracking. Implements robust audits, logging and activity tracking mechanism. Log user activities with the VDR includes login documents, user communications and collaboration tools, regular user review. By implementing this practice, you can effectively manage your access, enhance and collaboration. Thank you so much.